Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Aurora or the RDS database setup. Now, how do we set up an RDS database, Aurora database? Click on it. Now here, what it says is like you either set up a relational database services, which is Amazon RDS, which is a managed service, or you can actually set up an existing database, like a database as a setup, rather than having a, a managed service. You can also go with MySQL services, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, MySQL services. Likewise, you can also launch Aurora serverless database to explore the basic configuration for you to get this $20. All right, so just click on Start Activity. Now, as I told you here, so these are managed databases. Managed databases are basically databases which doesn't need any kind of a installation of operating system, downloading the software, installing the software on it, because this comes with the installed software on it already. So click on any one of the databases over here. Click whether you want a creation method is full configuration or easy create. I'll go with easy create. And then look at the tires over here. So we have selected the free tire, the database name, administrator username, the master password here. So I've given the password, which is not accepted by any means. So I have to give a complicated password. So I've given a master password is invalid. Okay, hold on. I managed to give a hard password. It's still weak, but it's something. So you can actually connect to an existing compute resource. You can see that this can be hosted on this Bastion host, or you can just don't connect with any EC2 instance. So that is also there. Now click on create database. So this should create your database over here, where the compute instance will be manually set it up for this particular database. Okay, so you're gonna see this. So you can see review and then have that created. So now that you have launched your database, you can go ahead and not save any of those details. Now to connect to the database, copy the snippet below and paste it on your preferred developer tools. So this is basically how you can connect to the database. So here you have say view connection details. So the database is still creating, and once it is created, you can actually see the username and password, and you can take that username and password and connect to your database. Now this is a managed database. You can see that we have completed the tutorial. So we have created the instance over here. So that's the database setup, and we have successfully completed the database setup. Let's just see if we are supposed to delete it. So it says like explore the basic configuration options, and you'll learn about the essential settings that you need to set up for managing database. That's perfect. So I think like let's leave it for some time. So let this take some time. It's gonna take some time to get to know that we have already set it up the RDS database instance, and then we will proceed with the next $20. Thank you again for watching this video. If there is any update on this, I'll post you on the next video. I'll see you on the next one.